Thanks for being here. Let's take a walk down a quiet street in rural Japan. Beautiful mountains, an old wooden house, and no one inside. Why? Reason 1. Demographics. Japan is aging, and many properties belong to older owners. When they pass away, heirs may live far away, disagree on what to do, or simply can't manage repairs. So the house sits, sometimes for years. Reason 2. Policy incentives. For a long time, leaving a house standing could mean lower land tax than clearing the lot. That created a subtle nudge to keep even a derelict structure instead of demolishing it. Recently, rules were tightened so dangerous or decayed homes can lose those tax breaks, a push to repair or remove them. Reason 3. Buildings depreciate, land doesn't. In Japan's market, the structure often loses value quickly, while the land holds most of the price. New builds are prized. Older wooden houses may be torn down rather than resold. Frequent code updates, especially for earthquakes, reinforce the newer is safer mindset. Reason 4. Law and enforcement. Since 2015, cities can label hazardous properties as specified vacant homes, press owners to repair or demolish, and even step in if needed. Recent amendments also promote reuse zones near downtowns and tourist areas to bring life back. So what can be done? Path 1. Reuse. Local Akiya banks list properties for renovators. Some towns offer subsidies or tax perks to fix a home rather than abandon it. Renovation isn't free, but in the right location, it can turn a liability into housing, a cafe, or co-working space. Path 2. Smarter incentives. Removing tax advantages for unsafe empties, speeding up inheritance paperwork, and making demolition or transfer simpler can help homes cycle back into use. Path 3. Realistic expectations. If you love old houses, remember, in Japan, value lives mostly in the land. Many older structures need seismic reinforcement and insulation upgrades before they feel truly modern. Smart takeaway. Japan's empty houses aren't a mystery. They're a math plus policy plus market story. Aging owners and far-flung heirs leave properties in limbo. Tax rules once rewarded leaving shells standing. And a new is best market makes old homes cheap to abandon. The laws are shifting to bring them back to life, slowly but surely. Subscribe for your daily mind bite, and tell me, fix it or start fresh.